Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by securing your data and power so the update won't fail. Back up to my cloud or your PC because updates can wipe settings. Once backed up, make sure battery is at least 50% and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid cellular interruptions or extra charges. Free up 2 to 3 gigabytes of internal storage by removing large apps and clearing cache. This helps the updater download and apply the package without errors, and speeds the installation process. You now fetch the firmware from Xiaomi's servers via Settings. Go to About Phone, choose System Update, and tap Check for updates so the device verifies the latest build for your Redmi Note 5 Pro. If an OTA appears, press Download and keep the phone plugged in. This avoids mid-download shutdowns. Make sure download over Wi-Fi only is enabled to prevent cellular data usage. Once the file is ready, the phone will validate the package. This integrity check prevents corruption. You initiate the install by tapping Install, which reboots the phone into recovery and applies the update. This can take 10 to 30 minutes depending on the package. Make sure not to press buttons or remove the battery during this stage because interruptions risk bricking the device. Once the phone boots, verify Settings About Phone shows the new Android/MIUI version and test core features. If the update fails or the device loops, reboot into recovery, wipe cache, and retry or reflash the official package to fix corruption.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.